Hi everyone, this is Jeff again. I am a spokesman for theboxmen.com, where we've changed the way you should watch TV. And in this video, we're going to take a look again at the Formuler Gameday option in My TV Online 3 and how to find your sports. So if this is your first time, second time, or I don't know, thanks for coming back to the Stream Machines YouTube channel, where we take the difficult things of streaming and help you one video at a time. Now, I'm going to go right into a couple of questions that I received, several of them, where today, or in I think this week, several of our customers and future potential customers were saying, in the Gameday, they can't find any data. They're saying the games are not showing or whatever it might be. So I'm going to walk through this on how to fix this, and it'll give us a chance again to highlight the Gameday app. Now, the Gameday option is in My TV Online 3. This is a Formuler Z11 Pro Max. Top of the line. We resell these with the best live TV already on them, and you should see a lot of that information in the video, in the description of this video. What I'm going to do, let's go to My TV Online 3, and I'm going to press OK. Then I'm going to hit the menu button, and I'm going to go straight down to Gameday and press OK. Once I'm on Gameday, you can see that there's football, which is a European football. There's baseball. There's American football. Basketball just started, so it says coming soon. And hockey just started. So they're going to be adding all the stats here. But let me just show. Let's go ahead and go to baseball. So we know the MLB, the World Series is coming. So you'll see if I went to standings here, if I go to standings, it's going to give you a lot of the information that if you're a baseball fan, you're going to love. And I don't know any other media device that does this except Formula right now. So I'm going to let this go ahead and open up. Don't really know why it's taking this long. It didn't take long about an hour ago. There it is. It finally came in. So you can see there's a lot of great stats here from, the teams, their win-loss record, their percentage, all the way down the list. And there's different, you got American League East, West, and all that. All right, this is the regular season. So we know that the World Series is coming up. So let's just say we hit schedule, and it's going to focus on, match data is not available. Well, people were saying, well, how come it's not working? Why does it say that's not available? Because it's on today. So you have to go over to the calendar, press OK, and the World Series starts Friday. So if I go to Friday here, press OK, boom. Yankees, Dodgers. Then you can highlight this and press OK. And then it's going to give you all the stats. This event will start 1 day, 22 hours, and 28 minutes. It'll give you all the stats. Dodgers 10-9, no draws. Recent meetings were June 9th, 2024, June 8th, 2024, and then June 7th, 2024. So the Dodgers got them 2-1, or they beat them 2 out of 3 times. So that doesn't mean anything, but I want to point out that this is the type of information that you'll get in Gameday. It's in My TV Online 3. It's on not every Formular. It's on 3 of them. The Formuler Z Mini, which we sell on our website. The Formuler Z11 Pro, which we sell on our website. And the Formuler Z11 Pro Max. Now, all of our devices already have live TV already in them. You would have to activate that. And then from there, we give you a 2-year protection plan that if anything happens during that 2 years, we'll just replace the box for free. And then after the 2 years, most people update. They'll sell their box back to us. We'll give you a good rebate price and apply that to the latest upgrade in 2 years. It's a win-win. So for 2 years, we're going to give you tech support, customer support, and great warranty that if you break the box, we'll just replace it for free. You're not going to beat that. So the live TV you will activate and you will find your own movies, this and that. So these boxes are excellent for that. So again, it's the Z Mini, which is on our website, the Z11 Pro, which is on our website, and the Z11 Pro Max. They're the ones that have My TV Online 3. And that's how you find that. So let's do it in NFL. Let's go one more back. And this time we're going to go to American football and press OK. And then we're going to hit the schedule. Well, we're back on today. So there's nothing there. So we'll go here and football is tomorrow. So if I hit this, it's going to tell you that the Rams are playing the Vikings. And I'll go down and press OK. And now it'll tell you the meetings. And on this one, it will tell you where, I'm going to blot that out, where to find it on the device, on this device. So this is a really great add-on, or I should say an option, that's in My TV Online 3. Okay, and this is where you can find your games. This is where you can do what you need to do, and it'll display it very, very well. So I hope that answers the question for those that needed it. We're going to go ahead and just go ahead and blot that out so you can see it. But I want to go ahead and close the video and thank you guys for tuning in. Maybe you were interested in it. Maybe you didn't know about it, but that is the My TV Online 3, and that is the Game Day option within it. Thank you guys so much for watching. Watch the videos, click the links, contact us if you have any questions, and have a great day. Bye-bye.